Hey guys, Soul Closet here, and I've been really into doing random stuff on my phone lately, so I wanted to show you guys who are new to having a Droid something with Droid at the beginning. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, X, Razor Max, anything with Droid at the beginning. I'm gonna show you guys the best way to set it up for, like, a noob, I guess. So a couple of apps that are free, don't take up much space, and that you should definitely have. They're not games. I mean, if you want the games I have, you can see them if you pause, but a couple of apps you really should have. Okay, the first is, with anything, with a Droid 1 and Droid 2, maybe Droid 3 and 4, does not come with a flashlight. A good app to get is if you go to the Google Play Store, and you search for flashlight, just the word flashlight. Tiny flashlight plus LED. Super useful. Free, doesn't take up much space. It's a great app. And it comes with a strobe light feature, an LED light feature. I know that's sideways. Here. So yeah, you can mess around with it. It's fun, but it's also helpful. So that's something you're really going to need. Another thing is if you have accounts on them, you'll want to get the latest update of YouTube, because it never comes with the latest update for whatever reason. And then Facebook and Twitter. Those, obviously, not necessary, but it's good to have at least Facebook. If you have a smartphone, it's good to have Facebook, unless you only use it for, like, business purposes. If you listen to music on your phone, you'll want the Google Play Music app. If you start to search, like, music, Play Music will come up. It has an orange headphones icon. If you just put in music. If you just search the word music, Google Play Music, editor's choice, right there. It's got a great UI, stereo sounds, supports any music file on your phone. Always a good idea. In terms of browsers, Dolphin browser of any kind. Any Dolphin browser. If you search Dolphin browser in the Google Play Store, it's much better than the default browser. There you go. Just searching Dolphin will give you the Dolphin browser. If you search Dolphin Beta, Dolphin Browser Beta runs a bit faster, but sometimes it might be a little bit laggier. It's kind of a dependent thing. Another thing I'd suggest that you get, if you're going to be making YouTube videos on your phone, you'll need the YouTube app, of course. The default camcorder app on the Droid 2, and I'm assuming it's the same for some other ones, if you have a good camera-ish, it should be fine. But you'll want these two apps. They're very useful. One of them costs money, but not much. It's just called Movie Editor. If you just search those words, the one by GoSeat, with the finger and the red and blue logo right there. It's good. It'll let you add music. It's not too complicated. Very easy to get the hang of. Also, if you're going to be making any sort of voice recording, so editing videos together using Movie Editor, HQ Audio Recorder is better than microphones. It's like 3 times as good as the microphone I'm using to make this video, like to record it. Now that is a webcam, but still. If you were to search HQ Audio Recorder, right there, you'll see a lot of things, but by Jeppy Software, that's the one you want. Let's see here. Something else. If you've got an account on it, there isn't a Netflix app. That's a derp, but it's very useful. Now some stuff that's specific to phones like mine. Droid, Motorola, made Droid phones. You can get, with Google Play Music, there is an app. There's a widget right there. You can make it only comes in one size, but it's very useful. It'll show you album art, like go forward, stuff like that. If you're going to be making ringtones, Ring Droid. Again, I think it costs $1 or $2. But it'll show you all the audio on your phone, just like Google Play Music does. And you can click it and turn it into a ringtone. Not hard. Let's see, what's something else good? If you're on Verizon, the My Verizon data counter is very good. You get to that by going long press, Motorola widgets. Oh, sorry. Long press, Android widgets. And then you'll want down here My Verizon data. And it's just right there. Very useful. This. Oh, no, I do not want to activate media share. Come on. That top bar right there has control for Wi-Fi searching, Bluetooth, 3G and 1x internet searching, media share, and brightness. All on that one bar. Very useful. Google Drive. If you use your Google Docs frequently, Google Drive is Google Docs for phone. Again, very useful. And those are just a couple things. Obviously, there's so many things you can get. Oh yeah, and Juice Defender. Juice Defender, if you search that, it has like a battery sippy cup. You can see it right in the middle there. It's very useful. Also, Lookout Security, on the right there. Same row as Juice Defender. Very useful. Something you'll definitely want to get if you're planning on protecting and keeping alive your phone for a long time. That's about it. Everything else is up to preference. It's really all about you. If you want, you can jailbreak it, but I don't see any use to. I'm not going to at any point. But unless they make an easier way. But right now, the only thing you can really jailbreak super safely is an iOS device without running iOS 6. As of late 2012. That's about it, guys, for today. So if you like this and you found some help in it setting up your Android phone, then that's good. I'm glad I could help. That's all for now, guys. So close it out. Bye.